Everybody get your fucking hands up.
What's up guys, it's me xtranamo. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of more tips on how to get more subscribers and views and likes, comments, and all those types of things. These methods are definitely going to help you because they've helped me. Even though I have 30 subscribers, I get a lot of views in like a month's time because of using these different methods, and all of these are on YouTube itself. All you have to do is go to your channel, YouTube Studio. When you're inside of YouTube Studio, this is your channel dashboard. You're just gonna show ranking by views. Okay, that's not bad. Views 64 here. This is your impressions click-through rate. When this is really high, I mean above 10%, is really good for a video. Then you know that 10% of people on YouTube are clicking on your video because it's getting their attention. This is the first one. The first one of getting more people to click on your video, viewing your channel, is by creating a really good thumbnail. I'm going to create a future video explaining on how to create a really good thumbnail. I know a website that I'm using that I started to use like a week ago, but it's good actually. All of these methods are actually going to help you. Another way how to get more people to subscribe is to doing giveaways. If you're doing different giveaways on people, let's say you're doing 10 giveaways, 5 giveaways, tell them in 24 hours the last 5 people that are subscribing will get a PS5, for example. We'll maybe do that in the future, but it's a good method. Second one is we're going to see which videos are your highest amount of views. If you see that it's a gaming video, you're definitely gonna have to post more about that. So let's see, content. Go to content. This is your videos that you created. Obviously you can see how many views it gets, the comments, the likes. So let's get to analytics. This is your analytics. Okay, so this is how much views your channel gets from people that went on your video, on your channel, and you can see which ones are giving you the most amount of views. Let's see from this video. This is a reaction video that I did, and I never did this in the past before, and when I started doing this, it gave me more views for my channel, which is a good thing. So experiment with your channel, experiment with different things that you can post, gaming videos, experiment with reaction videos, do gaming montages. Even when you're not recording a video, record a game and put in different clips from the game, doing a trick in a game or anything that is good content, and that will help you grow into getting more views and more subscribers. Okay, so once you are here, you can see what the channel here, the top video that I had is the funniest game for Gamers One Handshake. It was an indie game that I played. Now if you want to get more views from an indie game, and this can actually help you also get more subscribers, the way I actually got 296 views is, this video has a lot more, but this is how much it went, probably for the fastest in viewing, I think. So this is good for my channel. And how I did it is I went to itch.io. You can just type in itch.io and search for a game, search for any game. Okay, for Handshake, this is a game that I played. Searching for Handshake. What you can do is download the game, and these are people that created these games for themselves. They want people to play these games and comment. You see, you can comment your YouTube video, and this will definitely give you 30, 40 plus views in a day probably, because this is how I got that amount of views on my previous video that I did, which was that game that I played. And when you comment 10 out of 10 game, copy link address, copy your link, paste it here. You see, and all people that click on this video will give you extra, maybe an extra subscriber, but it will definitely give you extra view and more watch time. And you know, this is also a way to see that this is going to help you grow your channel. But yeah, this is another way how I did this. This is my first way of how I thought of getting more views on videos, which is a really good idea. This is a good way to get more people to view on your channel. Another way you can get more people is by telling these people in a video that there's a secret tip later in the video that you want to give them, so they should watch the video more to see what the secret tip is. And that is what I'm going to give you now. There is a website that I'm going to share with you guys on. It's a tool that you can use for YouTube itself to see how many tags people are using in their videos. You can see how many likes, dislikes there is without even pressing on the video itself. It's a really good tool, and you guys should definitely watch this video. Keep watching to see what this website is. Watch time 14.5 hours, 10% plus, which is much better. Post something that is not too long, not too short video. That is definitely going to help you. Let's go to audience. Alright, so this is your people that watch the video. This is your audience. This will show you exactly how many people have subscribed, not subscribed, what gender they are, even what gender. This is a good way. And this is what age people. Okay, so let's go to this is subscribes. 90% of people are not subscribed. This is also a way to get more people to subscribe. Put this on your videos saying you want more people to subscribe. This is the analytics. 90% of people are not subscribing. Please subscribe to my video, my channel, not a video. Look at the age and gender. It's male. Age is 18 to 24. So post videos that are recommended to this age. Then you know how to get more views. So for me, my most views are coming from South Africa, which is my country. So if you know that people are viewing from a different country, try to upload in a certain time frame. Let's say it's 2 o'clock in South Africa. Try to upload in your time when you know it's 2 o'clock there. Every single day, every second day. Remember, constant uploading is also a good thing for your channel. When you're uploading every day, every second day, that's a good way to grow your channel. So once you're done with audience, you can go to the website that I'm going to show you guys now, which is the secret tip, secret tool you guys can use to see the different tags of videos. So just go here, vidiq.com. You can type it in. Designed to boost your YouTube views. Get free insight guides to keep your channel growing. Now this is a really popular tool that people are using. It's an extension that is added to your YouTube. So just create an email address, your password. If you didn't create email address, create one, put it in, your password, sign up for free. It's free, and there are purchasable upgrades for this to see better things you can do. But you know, just create an account. Once you're done, go to your channel. When you go to your videos, you can see exactly. You go here, you can see exactly how many views and dislikes you're getting. 2 likes, 1 dislike, 3 likes. And this is a really good way to see how to know. This is a good way to see how to know how people's videos are doing for that certain topic. Let's see, let's go to PewDiePie. So this is gonna pop up here, and this is to show the overall score that is here. Okay, so let's click on a video. So once you're in the video, you can see the different video results that it gives you, the views, the duration of the video. It shows even how many views it's getting per hour, and its score. When you have a good vidIQ score, it's gonna give you a more probability of more views and subscribers. When you go down, You can see the tags, the video tags will show up here. Satire, you can even add it to your video tags. Topics, entertainment, film, add that to your tags. Another feature that this tool is going to give you, go to YouTube Studio, go to your videos, content, and select your video details. This is the editing of the video. Then go down here. You're going to see keyword inspector. And what this does is you can put in a certain keyword and it's going to show you the top results for what it can give you. And if you put these in your tags, video tag, it's going to give the probability of your video being at the top of a certain search, which will definitely give you more views. So let's type in gaming. And this is showing you how much the search volume is. 2 million. His overall score is 47. So get something that has a high score. This has 2 million search volume, but it has 47, which means that the amount of people watching this is very, very high, and that you who has lower subscribers, lower views, they will not see your video. So get something that has less competition. Let's say new gaming videos, videos 2021. So what's the search result for that? See, it's still low because a lot of people are watching this, but it has a high competition, which is really bad. You have to get one that is low competition. So I'm saying security. What is wrong with this keyboard? Security booth, gameplay, xtranamo, which is my name on my YouTube. Search that. As you can see, it has very, very low competition because I play the game, and since this is on, I have a probability of getting more people to watch my video because it's on this search. 74 score, which is really good. So please keep in mind about the search volume, the competition. If it's low, it's good. If it's high, it's bad. And the overall score, if it's really high, then you know you're good. So yeah, that's it from me from this video. This is my first tutorial video, so I'm not like really good in it. As I said, experiment with different videos. I'm just here to help you guys out because I know how it feels to struggle on YouTube, getting more subscribers, but these are the ways, methods that I've used over the past few months or two. But these really helped me because, as you can see, about all the views that I got. As I said, you have to find different ways of getting the subscribers, giveaways, tell them a little bit of secrets, tell them about future updates on certain videos. Just like I'm going to tell you that there's going to be a second tutorial video about how to get more subscribers that I will give you, and it's a really good website. So please subscribe, like on this video, and let's help each other out.